homecoming is also about loving, showing our love for our beloved academy and for our beloved fellow alumni.
Sa mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. It is my utmost privilege to welcome you all back to our dear alma mater, the Philippine National Police Academy.
I confirm that we have at least the majority of the members of the association present in this General Assembly.
This annual gathering provides a vital opportunity to come together, establish new alliances and partnerships. And collectively, we can celebrate the successes of our organization.
Loving Father, may you continue to bless the Philippine National Police Academy Alumni Association Incorporated for their support and generosity to their beloved alma mater.
Welcome home, Lakan, to the Philippine National Police Academy. It is now my privilege to thank the Board of Trustees of the Philippine National Police Academy Alumni Association for their love to our alma mater. Of course, this is the contribution of all Lakans. This will be useful in maintaining the cleanliness of the camp. Matagal na nating pinapangarap na magkaroon nito. Dahil every time na magkaroon tayo ng maintenance dito sa kampo, nanghihiram tayo.
Gawin nating useful yung mga donations natin. I know na lahat naman po tayo may puso para sa academy. So sana po maging priority natin yung laging pagtulong dito sa pinagkakautangan natin ng loob ang Philippine National Police Academy.
Sa pagtutulungan nating lahat, of course, lahat ng Lakan. Kung patuloy tayong tutulong sa ating association, ay malaki rin ang maibalik dito sa ating alma mater.
This day is not merely an assembly. It is a manifestation of the enduring spirit that unites us as proud alumni of the Philippine National Police Academy. As your president, I am deeply honored to stand before you, surrounded by our shared past and the promise of our collective future. As we convene for this General Assembly meeting, let us reflect on the milestones we have achieved as an association. Together, we have survived challenges, embraced opportunities, and consistently upheld the principles that define the essence of being a Philippine National Police Academy graduate. Last year has been a year full of changes. But along with these changes, we became proactive and became the voice of the significant issues affecting our community on behalf of the entire Lakan. We are proud to share the milestone we have achieved so far through the active involvement of each Board of Trustees members and the support of every one of you.
Ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa ating PNP. Sa kabila ng maraming hamon, patuloy pa rin ginagampanan ang kanilang tungkulin. Marami tayong pulis na namamatayan na hindi man nababasa sa dyaryo. Maraming gumagawa ng kadakilaan na hindi kinikilala. Sa ngalan ng ating sambayanan, ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa PNPA Alumni Association sa lahat ng sakripisyo at serbisyo na iginawad po ninyo sa ating mga kababayan.
A warm and heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you as we formally accept the newly adopted members of our association. This is a momentous occasion for all the PNPA classes as we accept noteworthy individuals to be part of our association.
Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously abide with the Constitution and bylaws, rules and regulation of the PNP AAAI, and fulfill my role to the best of my knowledge and abilities towards the development of the association.
At masaya ako na nandito, na-imbita. Ngayon naman, gusto kong tumulong. Magbibigay ako ngayon ng 1 milyon na cash para sa inyong lahat.
Marami ho tayong kapulisan na isinakripisyo yung kanilang buhay para sa ating katahimikan. At marami rin tayong kapulisan na isinakripisyo yung kanilang pamilya, yung kanilang family time, alang-alang po sa paglilingkod.
As alumni, you bear the responsibility to mentor, guide, and inspire the young minds who will carry the torch of leadership. Once again, congratulations to the entire PNP Alumni Association that has drawn strength from our shared history, celebrate our accomplishments, and approach the future with collective determination. Above all, let us continue to uphold the values that make the Philippine National Police a beacon of hope and a symbol of service to the Filipino people.
My fellow Lakan, our shared experiences, diverse perspectives, and unwavering commitment to excellence are the cornerstones of our association's success. In a spirit of camaraderie, let us use this time not only to deliberate on matters of importance, but also to celebrate the friendships and alliances that have stood the test of time. Let us ignite the passion and drives us to contribute positively to our alma mater and our nation. Let us do so with a shared sense of purpose and enthusiasm. Our decisions be wise and our unity be unwavering. Mabuhay ang PNPA! Mabuhay ang Lakan!